Excuse me, I just heard the announcement that our flight has been cancelled. Could you please tell me what happened?
Sure, what's your flight number, please?
It's flight C1219 to Seattle.
Okay, let me check. I'm sorry to inform you that due to the bad weather, your flight has been cancelled.
What? That's terrible. So what should I do now?
We can rebook you on the next available flight, which is at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? Is there any possibility for today?
I'm sorry. Due to the weather, all flights to Seattle today have been cancelled. This is the earliest flight we can offer.
All right, then change my flight at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Okay, may I see your ID, please?
Here you are.
Okay, please wait a moment. Here's your new boarding pass. Please take it.
Thank you.